Assalamu alaikum. This is Asifuddin here, my student ID 114. Now I discuss overview of the latest monetary policy declared by Bangladesh Bank. First of all, I discuss the introduction. Rule of monetary policy. Manage inflation, credit, money supply, exchange rate, and growth rate. Bangladesh Bank issue two MPS monetary policy statement per year. Current macroeconomic challenge, high inflation rate, volatile FX market, and weak reserve. Banking sector stress, high import bills. Bangladesh Bank current focus macro stability though prudent monetary policy. Summary of the latest monetary policy. Bangladesh Bank maintains a contractionary policy stance. Policy rate 10% maintained. Focus on reducing inflation to the 7 to 8% target range. Private sector credit growth set lower. Standing facilities unchanged. SLF 11.5%, SDF 8.0%. Continued caution due to external pressure and inflation risk. The monetary policy is meant to slow inflation, weak tightening liquidity, high interest rate discourage excessive borrowing, and Bangladesh Bank is careful because global uncertainties affect imports, reserve, and inflation. Significant change compared to previous policy. Exchange rate regime continued rolling fake system, more market aligned, mid rate anchored, went allows some fluctuation. Monetary base or monetary creation. Bangladesh Bank stopped printing new money for government spending, quantitative tightening, fewer currency swap, and streamlined OMOS. Interest rate framework, retaining higher interest rate uh, corridor via SLF and SDF. Policy rate kept more tight compared to more accommodative first states. Liquidity and credit control, more display, vote money, growth targets, private credit growth curved, banking sector reform, stronger governance, stricter classification for bad loans, emphasis on risk management. The central bank wants to ensure stability growth and second. Money supply control is central to fighting inflation. Even though interest rate stayed unchanged, the central bank tightened other tools. Lower credit growth means banks must lend more selectively. Tools used by Bangladesh Bank. Policy rate controls short-term interest rate. 2. Standing lending facilities, SLF, emergency borrowing for banks. 3. Standing deposit facilities, SDF, deposit facilities for excess liquidity. 4. Open market operation, OMO, buying or selling securities to manage liquidity, credit growth, target, control, lending expansion. 6. Exchange rate management, more flexible to maintain market stability. These tools directly affect money supply, loan availability, and exchange rate. Bangladesh Bank use a mix of price tools and quantity tools. Policy reform suggestions. Strengthening inflation control, improving agricultural supply and logistics, reduce government domestic borrowing, strengthen market monitoring to prevent price manipulation. 2. Exchange rate reform. Periodic review of crawling fake rent. unify multiple exchange rate, promote digital remittance platform. 3. Banking sector improvements, better corporate governance, national credit rating database. 4. Better monetary transmission, more market-based interest rate, reduce government interference in credit allocation. 5. Improve data quality and communication, regular publication of FX, inflation and liquidity data, clear forward guidance for market. Reforms aim to ensure long-term financial stability. This policy balanced a policy can encourage growth without causing inflation. Coordination with government fiscal policy is essential. Conclusion. The recent monetary policy focus strongly on inflation control. Bangladesh Bank is using multiple tools to manage liquidity, credit, and exchange rate. Continued reform are required to balance stability and growth in the economy. The overall direction remains cautious until inflation reaches a safe level. The central bank is priorities stability to protect consumer and financial system. That's all. Thank you, everyone.